In this guide, we're going over how you can get the Infestation camo on the X9 Maverick here in Call of Duty Black Ops 7. Before we do dive into this guide, make sure to like the video and subscribe to the channel with all notifications on. It really does help the channel and lets us know that you want more content like this. We'd greatly appreciate it, and if at any point throughout this guide you do have any questions, just ask them down in the comment section below and we can help you out further. I'm going to be doing my best to reply to every single comment down there. First things first, go ahead and head into your gunsmith and then go to the customize tab, into the camo section, and into the zombies tab right here, because this is where you're going to see all of the challenges that you have to go ahead and complete in order to eventually end up on that infestation camo. Now the first 9 camos right here are going to be your military camos. These ones are pretty simple. They're essentially just headshot kills or critical kills. With the X9 Maverick, you can do all the rest of the damage to the body. As long as you get the kill itself with that headshot, you'll knock out that critical kill. And yes, it is 1,000 total, but in the end of the day, you're going to want to play survival maps. Do this, set this as your spawn weapon, and you'll knock it out pretty quickly. That being said, for all of these challenges, unless I say otherwise, you're going to want to play survival maps, so stay tuned for that. Moving on to the special camos, though, the first one is this one right here. You got to get 75 kills with the Shadow Rift activations. This one is kind of annoying, but it's only 75 kills, so it's not too bad. Essentially, you want to go ahead and put Shadow Rift on your weapon, which is one of those ammo mods, and then you want to get kills when those activations do happen. Now, the kills don't actually have to be from the activations themselves. As long as it activates, you can go ahead and, spam as many zombies as possible right after, and that'll knock out those kills. That being said, it does still have to be with the X9 Maverick. You can't switch to a ray gun or anything. From here, you move on to Slither, and this one is not too bad actually. You just got to get 300 eliminations while this weapon is Pack-a-Punch. So overall, not too rough to do. It's just 300 eliminations. That's not even that many rounds on the later rounds. But from here, we got Pathfinder. You got to get 75 armored zombie eliminations with the X9 Maverick. This one, once again, is not too bad, especially in the later rounds. Armored zombies are spawning in all the time, so just keep playing, and you'll knock this one out fairly quickly. For Golden Dragon, you just got to get 10 kills rapidly 15 times with the X9 Maverick. This is only a total of 150 kills, and what rapid kills are, it's essentially just kills extremely quickly. The best way to do this is just run up a train and you'll knock this one out very fast. Once again, you can damage them beforehand if you need to, and then go ahead and take them all out, but this one is honestly super easy. Moving on to the difficult ones, I'd say this is where it starts getting difficult because the prerequisites kind of add up a little bit, but you got Golden Dragon on 6 ARs before you can even unlock this challenge. Once you do get Golden Dragon on all 6 ARs, come back to this and you got to get 20 or more consecutive kills without taking damage 5 times. The best way to do this is just run up a train, keep your distance, obviously don't get hit at all, you don't want to take any damage, but essentially just go ahead and get 100 kills total, for example. You could do this in one round if you really think about it, if you just don't take any damage at all, so keep that in mind. Chances are it'll take you like 2 rounds though, max. For Doomsteel, you do have to get Bloodstone on all 30 weapons, so make sure you go ahead and do that first, but from here you can eliminate 10 zombies with the X9 Maverick, specifically those elite zombies. As of right now, the only elite zombie that's really in the game is going to be those Xursas. And the best way to do this is actually by loading into Ashes of the Damned, getting past round 16. And once you do get past round 16, you just got to go ahead and go into the fog, and you're going to have a Xursa spawn every 2 minutes. In fact, I'm sure in the future as well, this is still going to be the best method to knock this out. But essentially, run in there, get those kills. You could realistically do this in 20 minutes if you really were killing the Xursas fast and stayed in the fog the entire time. Obviously, that's risky, but it would work theoretically. Finally, for Infestation, you just got to get Doomsteel on all 30 weapons, and you are good to go. And that's only those primary weapons. But yeah, if you guys do have any questions, just ask them down in the comment section below, and we can help you out further. I'm going to be doing my best to reply to every single comment down there. Before you do leave this guide, though, make sure to like the video and subscribe to the channel with all notifications on. It really does help the channel and lets us know that you want more content like this. We'd greatly appreciate it. Have a great rest of your day. Peace.